Hello and welcome back to the Hit and Miss Workshop. Still working on the 1937 Briggs Model Y. Gonna try to get these points cleaned up, see if we can recover spark. So let me see what we can do about getting the angle better here. Alright, so right inside here are our points. I'd zoom in a little more, but this camera doesn't focus well. It's zoomed in. So what we want to do is we're going to get these points to open. Rotate the... Alright. Let's see. Put this up even better. Alright, let's get these points open and clean them up. My points file in here. Looking a little better, but keep going. Wow, they are really dirty. Let me see if I can get a little more light on this, so I can see. Well, that's looking a lot better. A little more. Try a little more. Okay, I like that. That looks good. I'm a little worried about all this corrosion here. I think we'll pull off the condenser, maybe? How's that attached? Let's see. I'm going to shut it down. We might pull off the condenser to test it. Probably best to do it while we can. Okay, well, further investigation of the condenser is soldered in, so I think we're going to just try to refit our flywheel and see if we get spark. This flywheel apparently is supposed to fit, slide off easily, and it really fought me. So I'm just going to take some 500 grit and clean up the shaft here. Try to get whatever contaminants are on this off, so it'll fit properly. Anyway, I'll keep doing this for a while, and I'll bring you back. Okay, got the flywheel back on. Finished polishing that up. Let's see if we can get some spark. The wire is tough to remove. It's a little too short. find a good place to put it here where you'll be able to see the spark. Alright, I saw a spark. It was faint. There is some spark. It's not a lot. It's weak. Do we go forward or do we move back? I'm going to shut you down and we'll think about it. Well, as you can probably tell, I've made the decision to go back. Replace this condenser. So, it is soldered to our points. I'm very worried about soldering on this, something this old, putting heat to the coil. That's just my furnace coming on. Alright, I think I'm going to end this one for today. I'm going to have to order up a new coil. I don't have any. May just cut that and solder back to that or something. Try to get less heat into the coil. Did I say order a new coil? I mean condenser. Yeah, I don't want to get too much heat into the coil. So I think that's where we will leave it for today. We'll order a new condenser. Probably clip the leads back and move forward from there. So, sorry, it's going to be a short video this week. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please click the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps the channel out a lot. Try to post a new video every Sunday, and click that subscribe button down below and the little bell icon next to it. You'll get notified whenever I have a new video up. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on the Busted Knuckle Workshop.